Why is my pizza not cooked in the middle? We made it right. And this is the right way to do it. Tip number 1, your dough is at room temperature. It makes it a lot easier to roll. Tip number 2, keeping your dough thinner. Tip number 3, use less sauce. And tip number 4, use less toppings. And now that we've come this far, we should make sure that the oven's ready to go. And lastly, tip number 5, the stone is hot. 650 degrees is perfect temperature to bake your pizza. When the pizza comes out of the oven, you can smell that awesome aroma. And when you cut into it, you can definitely feel the cracker-like crust. The pizza was delicious. And again, we made it right.